8000 BTU window air conditioner is a versatile unit that is available with Wi-Fi options. If you want to keep a small to medium-sized apartment cool, I think the LG is a solid option for medium-sized spaces. The third product on our list is the Frigidaire 10,000 BTU Cool Connect Smart Window Air Conditioner. This is our best smart air conditioner. If you enjoy technology or have a smart connected home and want to get the most out of your AC, then our pick for the best smart air conditioner might be the one for you. The Frigidaire 10,000 BTU Cool Connect Smart Window Air Conditioner is priced around $400 and comes with modern smart features that will help you customize how you want it to cool. The unit connects to Wi-Fi, and by downloading the Frigidaire app, you can control its settings from your iPhone or Android device. You can customize a schedule and receive up-to-date alerts, including a notification that it's time to change the filter. By being able to control the Frigidaire Smart Window Air Conditioner while you're out of the house, the unit is more energy efficient, allowing you to save on your electricity bill. The inclusion of an auto-cool function, energy saver mode, and sleep mode are welcome as they provide more versatility to this already powerful unit. This smart air conditioner is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use voice commands to switch between its 3 fan speeds and 3 cooling speeds, or set a timer. It's capable of cooling a 450 square foot room, and I think its attractive modern design makes up for its slightly larger build, which comes in at 19.75 inches long and 14.5 inches tall. Everything you need for installation comes in the box, and it's also nice that it comes with a remote for an extra way to control the temperature. Overall, the Frigidaire 10,000 BTU Cool Connect Smart Window Air Conditioner is ideal if you like to stay connected to your home through your devices. Using the Frigidaire app, you can ensure that the temperature is just right when you walk through the front door. The second product on our list is the LG Dual Inverter 14,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. This is our best energy-efficient air conditioner. If you're looking for a complete air conditioner that offers exceptional efficiency, then look no further than the $550 LG Dual Inverter 14,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. This unit is just under 25 inches deep, just under 24 inches wide, is 15 inches tall, and packs a lot of power into an efficient machine. Installation is a bit more difficult than previous models due to its size, but the power, efficiency, and intelligence of this unit is fantastic and cancels out any of those concerns. I also love that despite its size, it's got a modern design. The dual inverter technology allows this air conditioner to produce 14,000 BTU, enough to cool 800 square feet of space without causing massive increases in your utility bill. The LG Dual Inverter 14,000 BTU window air conditioner is up to 25% more efficient than what an Energy Star certification requires and results in a unit that is cheaper to run than other, less powerful units which earned this air conditioner a rare, most efficient certification. The efficiency not only helps on your electricity costs, but it also helps with noise levels. Despite having more power than the previously covered units, this one is actually the quietest. It can run with volumes that are just slightly louder than that of a library, so you'll hardly even notice it's there while it keeps you cooled. Ease of use is also something that LG kept in mind while designing this air conditioner, as it can be adjusted on the unit itself using the LG Think app or by using Amazon Alexa or your Google Assistant. You can adjust the 4 cooling and fan speeds to customize your experience to suit your space and needs. You'll also want to make sure that you're keeping the filter clean, as that will keep the efficiency at its best. With power, smart features, and exceptional efficiency on board, the LG Dual Inverter 14,000 BTU window air conditioner is easily our pick for the best energy-efficient air conditioner. The first product on our list is the Frigidaire 25,000 BTU window air conditioner. This is our best air conditioner for large spaces. If you need to cool large spaces, you'll want a heavy-duty air conditioner like the Frigidaire 25,000 BTU, which goes for around $750. It is more expensive than the previous models, but well worth the investment when you consider you can effectively cool up to 1,600 square feet. With all that cooling power, it's good to know that Frigidaire has included an energy saver mode as well as a 24-hour on and off timer so that the unit works as efficiently as possible and can save you money on your electricity bill with its low energy consumption function. I'll also mention the fact that you'll need a 230-volt electrical outlet for it to function. The dehumidifier can drop to 7.8 pints of water out of the air per hour, and the unit runs at 60 decibels, not surprisingly being the loudest AC on our list. It's also the bulkiest and heaviest unit in this video, coming in at 26.5 inches wide by 18.6 inches tall and weighing 139 pounds. Needless to say, installation is a 2-person job, but with everything needed to secure the unit to the window coming in the box, setup is a straightforward process. The Ready Select electronic controls allow you to set the comfort level to your preference, plus there's a convenient temperature readout that displays the set temperature. A remote lets you control the 3 cooling speeds, set the timer, or turn on the energy saver mode. It also comes with an antibacterial filter, which reduces airborne bacteria, odors, and other particles, maintaining a cool and comfortable living space. If you need to cool large spaces, the Frigidaire 25,000 BTU window air conditioner is a large but mighty choice and is capable of cooling an entire apartment or even the entire floor of a small house. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.